Dear students, as I have already told you that we are going to discuss something about national income. When we are going to explain it, national income is simply defined as the total income of a country during its different production processes. एक प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस के थ्रू एक देश में कितनी इनकम जनरेट होती है एक साल के अंदर, दैट्स नोन एज नेशनल इनकम. सिंस वी नो दैट जो इकनॉमी होती है, किसी भी देश की जो इकनॉमी होती है, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज एंगेज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. Always engaged in the production process, and with the help of this production process it's able to generate different goods. When these goods are converted into money, that money is known as national income. So simply we can say that the different economic activities that takes place within an economic system of a country, with the help of which the different goods are being generated, when these goods are being converted into their money value, we call that national income. It's a big broad topic, national income. What we are going to do here, we are going to understood some basic concepts about the national income, in which the first concept is factor income and transfer income. Now, what is factor income? Since there are four factors of production are there in the form of land, in the form of labor, in the form of capital, in the form of entrepreneur. When these four factors of production are providing their services, they are being paid. The income earned, because it's an earned income, it's not a received income, it's an earned income. The income earned by these factors of production is known as factor income. Simple thing is, one more thing is that, like, when any factor is providing its services, when land provides its services, when labor provides its services, when capital provides its services, when entrepreneur provides its services, simply they are being paid. Land is being paid, capital is being paid, entrepreneur is being paid. What? Land is being paid in the form of rent, labor is being paid in the form of wages, capital is being paid in the form of rate of interest, and entrepreneur is being paid in the form of profits. The income they have earned is known as factor income. How to understood? Simply, you provide your services, you are being paid. That's known as factor income. Now, what's transfer income? Transfer income is completely different from factor income. Transfer income is defined as the income which is received without providing any factor service. Without providing any factor service, when you are being paid, it's known as transfer income. Like, our father gave us pocket money, it's transfer income. Government provides a scholarship, it's a transfer income. So subsidies are also transfer income. Simple thing is that the main difference when it comes to the factor and transfer income, the main difference is that the factor income can be defined as that income which is being earned after providing factor service, while as transfer income is defined as the income which is being received without providing any factor service. As we know that I have already told you many a times, when you are being asked to write down the definition of the two concepts, at the same time you have been asked to differentiate the two, what you are going to do, you're going to make 3 columns. Here will be basis, here will be factor income, here will be transfer income. The first thing is definition, how you define. The first difference between factor income and transfer income will be on the basis of definition. You are going to differentiate the two. So you are going to write down the definition. Factor income is defined as the income which is being earned after providing different factor services. Transfer income is defined as that income which is being received without providing any factor service. Number one. Number two, concept. On the basis of concept, we are going to differentiate the two. It's a bilateral concept. It's a bilateral concept. Why is a bilateral concept? Because you do your work, you are being paid. Bilateral means two-sided. You are going to do the work, you will be paid. Transfer income is a unilateral concept. Why unilateral concept? Because you are not doing any kind of work, still you are being paid. It's known as transfer income. So when we come to the third, we're going to write down the examples. In the factor income, we're going to write down the wages, we're going to write down rent, we're going to write down rate of interest, we're going to write down profit. There can be many more. When it comes to transfer income, we're going to write down the pocket money, charity, donations, scholarship, etc.